50 years of SICK USA. Through every milestone, one thing has fueled our growth more than anything else: our people. In 1976, SICK had just established a subsidiary in the USA. Today, in 2026, we've grown to over 700 employees across the nation, each one contributing to the innovation, spirit, and community that define who we are. And I am so proud of our culture and who we are. The core part of SICK is simple yet powerful. We make a difference in the world. And that doesn't just describe what our technology does. It describes what our people do every day, how we learn, connect, support each other, and give back to our communities. At SICK, we invest in growth so employees can build new skills and shape the future of our company. We have a rich offering of trainings and courses to help drive our collective development. Growth also isn't just about learning. It's about lifting each other up. Programs like Empower, our mentorship initiative, help employees share their experiences, strengthen relationships, and build confidence at every stage of their career. But culture extends beyond our walls, because SICK is making an impact that reaches further. Through the Community Engagement Committee and volunteer opportunities across the country, we come together for causes that matter. Our Community Day affords every employee a dedicated day of PTO to volunteer, support, and lift up local organizations, making a difference in the places we live and work. This is what culture looks like at SICK: an amazing team, a connected community, a shared commitment to care for each other and the world. And at the heart of that story are the people who have shaped it from the very beginning.
I'm Kim Meisinger. When I first started at SICK, we really didn't have a defined culture. Anything that we had was really local and regional. Over the 14 years, that has changed quite a bit. We are really global focused. We have a shared language. It doesn't matter where you stand in the organization, which region you're in, what country you're in, we all speak the same language, and that really makes you feel like you're a great part of this organization. Mentorship and training programs have really helped our employees. We have such great talent here at SICK, and utilizing the people inside the organization with the skills and the experience to help mentor others is something that's really unique and important here at SICK, because our employees here really tend to stay with the company for a long period of time. And that helps new employees that come into the organization develop those skills that are needed. So it's so important we have these programs to help our employees grow and develop. There's an expectation here that leaders develop others, not just deliver results. It's not about the title. It's about recognizing the talent on your team and taking the responsibility to helping that talent grow. So SICK's giving back by the Community Day. One, it really helps employees connect outside of work. And that brings a different aspect to our connection inside the office. Being able to see people work together outside doing something for the community to give back has something that's really helped our employee engagement quite a bit. So what really keeps me here and keeps me excited is all of the talent that we hear of at SICK. It's about watching people step into something that they didn't think they had the potential to grow into. It's about reaching that potential and getting to the next level. And that's real change. And knowing that I helped create the conditions makes me really excited about SICK.